Hello, my name is Lisa Shea, and I love helping people learn more about art and all of its many different forms. This here is a watercolor painting of an octopus. This is a watercolor painting done with a crayon resist technique where you use white crayon to markate out the different sections. This is string art done with yarn and acrylic paint that creates lovely floral types of images. It's another example of string art. I also love to do jelly plates, which is a form of printmaking. So that's one example of jelly plates. There's another example of jelly plates. I also love to do cyanotypes, which is a historic form of photography, which uses a paint which is reactive to the sunlight, and when you place the shape down, it casts a shadow, which is then recorded in the image. So that's a cyanotype done with a leaf. That's a cyanotype done with bike gears. And also, I'll do a lot of photography and film photography. So let me know what kind of workshops you'd like me to post, and I will happily post them. And also, if you're in Central Massachusetts, we do free workshops every Saturday at the Blackstone Valley Art Association Gallery in Uxbridge. Have a great week.